Short film is a collaborative effort between a bunch of Dodea students, and we just all come together to, well, to name, to make a short film. We tell a story. We create a piece of art together. You know, it's about lighting, it's about the camera, but it's also about what we produce here and the friendships we make along the way.
So our project is a more serious one, with a lot of tension, and I think we want people to know that it's okay to take a break sometimes. Sometimes you need to take a break. Life can overwhelm you, and don't let life overwhelm you.
So this is my first time working with the film crew, and it's actually been a really good experience. They all work very well together. Like, it's more like a family than anything else, and you can ask questions about camera and shots and sounds, and they don't treat you like you have something wrong with you just for asking those questions. They're actually very nice about the responses, and working together has been an amazing experience for me because it introduces me to more people and teaches me more aspects of the career that I might want to go into.